everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shab and thank you for joining. So today I've got to show you the LookFantastic Bobbi Brown box. I am a little bit behind schedule on this one, and you know, it was released a while ago, but it is still available, so I thought I'd show it because it is a fantastic box. If you are looking to try out Bobbi Brown products, or you just a massive fan of Bobbi Brown anyway, then this is a great box. It's pretty much half price of the actual value of the products, which is amazing. So it comes in this nice pretty cream and gold LookFantastic box, and then inside here we do have a edit as well, which will tell you all about the products in more detail, how to use them, tips, and it's also got a foundation matching in the back of here as well, which is pretty cool. Now, you know this is special when it comes in gold tissue. Even the spaghetti in here is gold. So we've got 3 full-size products in here, and then we have a deluxe version of a product, and then a little mini tester version of a product as well. So I'm going to pull out the little mini first. So this is the Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm, which I believe, I've never tried it before, but I believe it's like a primer and it's a moisturizing one, so you can use it pretty much as a double up of a primer and a moisturizer. It is a 5ml. So as you can see, it is pretty diddy. So the first product in here, which is full size, is the Bobbi Brown Crushed Oil Infused Gloss. And this is a 6ml and it's in the shade In the Buff. So this is what the exterior packaging looks like. This is the packaging. So you've got your Bobbi Brown down there, and it says Crushed Oil Infused Gloss. And this looks delightful. It would be really moisturizing on top of a lipstick or even on its own. I think it's probably quite sheer, even though it doesn't look it in the packaging at all. That's obviously a really nice fancy lip product. Okay, the next thing we've got is the Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge for Lips and Cheeks. So this is also a full size and it's in the shade Powder Pink. So it is a cream product, which is obviously absolutely stunning for like spring, summer, dewy looks. And you can use it on your lips as well, so it kind of brings the look together. But that would be really, really nice for like holiday, kind of glowy skin, that kind of fresh makeup look. So yeah, again, really, really nice, fancy product. It's such a bougie box. Bobbi Brown is just like bougie. Do you know what I mean? I love the packaging. It's just so simple, clean, gorgeous. The next full-size product we've got is the Bobbi Brown Highlighting Powder, and this is 8g and it's in the shade Pink Glow. I think this is one of the products that I'm most excited about using. This is right up my street. So this is the packaging. As always, it feels really nice, good quality. So you've got a little button here that you press in. You don't just try and pull it off like I did. Okay, so we've got a little cover on here. You have got a mirror inside it, but look how stunning that is. It is the nicest pink. I'd say it's kind of like rose gold champagne kind of highlighter. Absolutely stunning. I feel like it's too perfect to use it. And last but not least, which is probably what I was the most excited about, second to the highlighter powder, is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is a 15ml, and I mean, if you don't know what this is, then you've probably been hiding under a rock, because everybody raves about this product. So it is a little mini version. I mean, it's 15ml, again, with a primer or, you know, any sort of like cream product for your face. You don't really use that much, so I think it will last a long time. And I've never tried this, so I've heard so much about it. Look how stunning the packaging is. It's absolutely gorgeous. But it is literally like one of the most famous face bases at the moment. Everyone's talking about it and it's amazing. And yeah, I am really, really looking forward to using this. The box is £50 or it was £45 for me because I had some credit on my account, and the value of the box was just over £100, so it was basically half price. It's bougie, it is expensive for a beauty box, you know. It's probably, I think it is actually the most expensive beauty box I have purchased. Yeah, I was really excited to get this box. I know that I'll get good use out of all of the products. I really like the colour range, I like the products that they've included in the box. If you want to try Bobbi Brown products, it's a really nice way to try them. So thank you very much for watching, and let me know down below what you think of the box. And will you be getting it? Have you already got it? Do you love the products? Have you tried any of them? Let me know. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.